Hey guys, it's your girl D Rainey and we're back with another brow transformation video. This beautiful client of mine has opted for ombre shading. We're all mapped out and ready to go. Let's get started.
Tell me what it's like to live with superpowers. I don't know, but I'ma get
it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D Rainey back with another transformation video. If this is your very first time ever landing on this channel or coming across any of my videos, my name is Dee. I am a serial entrepreneur and the owner of Eris Beauty. Here at Eris Beauty, we specialize in all kinds of beauty treatments and especially permanent makeup. Now, this beautiful client of mine has come in because she wanted her brows done and she's opted for ombre brows. Now, ombre brows is simply the fact that her whole brow will be shaded from the tail all the way to the fronts, and it creates a really soft dip brow look as though she's filled in her brows and has created a really nice structured look. So that's what she's opted for today. Now, we've already mapped out her brows. We've already outlined her brows and created the desired shape that she's wanting to go with. So now we're starting the outline. I always outline my brows before we get started or before I even apply any numbing cream. And outlining literally is I'm outlining the shape of the brows with my tattoo gun and making sure that it's nice and crisp. And the reason why I do that is because applying the numbing cream to the skin can sometimes, depending on the client, create the skin to kind of raise up and become a little puffy. And that's simply because the numbing cream is topical. So it has to go under the skin in order to numb the nerve endings in order for it to be nice and numb and the client is really comfortable. Well, in doing that and getting under the skin, sometimes the skin can just retain more water and become a little puffy. So with me outlining the brows before there's any numbing cream applied just ensures that if her skin does swell up a little bit, it really doesn't matter for me because I'm essentially coloring in the lines, if that makes sense. So she's all done. She really thought it was going to be super painful, but it really wasn't that bad and we were ready to go. At this point in the process, we are all done with the first pass and we're getting ready to work on a second pass, and I'm going to be quiet and let you enjoy this video. done with her session. We're now just going to use some foam and just clean off her brows, clean off all that pigment. But I want you guys to take note of something. My client was asleep during this entire process. She was so numb, she was so comfortable, which is so important because as a technician, in order for me to be able to achieve the results that I'm wanting to achieve and the desired looks, it's so important that you are so comfortable. So the numbing cream, our numbing cream that we use, it is just so wonderful that it allows you to be able to relax and have virtually a pain-free session. She has a little bit of swelling on the front part of her brow, which is expected. Like I said, that numbing cream goes under the skin and sometimes it can cause a little bit of swelling, but that's okay because by tomorrow that swelling will be completely gone and her brows will be perfect and it'll just look beautiful. So here are the final results. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
You got me shaking, yeah.